build MicroPython for the WeAct STM32F411 board. First, you'll need some dependencies, so git gcc make gcc arm9 eabi and libnewlib arm9 eabi. This one is required if you get an error about a missing memory.h. You probably don't have this installed. In future distributions, you probably won't need to install this, but in Ubuntu 18.04 you do need to install this. So I already have them installed, but if you have none of these installed, it could be about 2.5 to 3 gigabytes, so it's quite a large install. So you'll want to follow the instructions in the WeAct repository, except for one difference, which is when you download the board definition, you can download WeAct's definition, or you can download it from the repository of the original author, M. Causer. You'll probably want to just check which one is more up to date. So start by cloning MicroPython. Initialize it. And cd into the MicroPython cross-compiler directory and make it, and the -j4 is just to run for make to run 4 threads, which will speed up compilation. Once that's done, go into the boards folder, STM32 port, and you want to clone either the WeAct TC definitions, the MCauser definitions. I'm going to use the MCauser definitions. And now you need to go up a directory, run the make command with the name of the folder that you downloaded. Then you can run it 4 jobs. Now that it's built, you want to go to the build folder. You will find the firmware files. The firmware generated, you have a few options. You have a 2-part binary file, hex format file, and a DFU format file, and an ELF format file. For simplicity, I'm going to use just one way, but there is this video by 0033MER which explains a few methods of uploading to the board. But first you need to get the file out of your WSL environment, if you are using WSL. Open STM32Cube Programmer and then open the firmware file generated. And then you want to put the board into DFU mode, or just general programming mode. In this case you can program it DFU util with the USB mode of STM32Cube Programmer, or you can also connect the board to a serial adapter and flash it with SD Flash. The way to do that with this board is to hold down and reset, hold down boot 0, let go of and reset. And refresh and you'll see the board serial number show up and you can connect to it. And then simply what you want to do is press download. Once the download is done, press and reset. You should see the blue LED come on and flash a little bit. And then the mass storage device where you can edit and upload Python files will show up, and you should also see a new serial device at 115,200 baud, and that will be the Python REPL.